evening, subscribers. It's Tuesday. I just made it over to Insane Power. I just went around on the other side and it looked like the car is not there, so I'm gonna guess they got it up on the rack and they're pulling the motor. And yeah, that that looks like it's about it, because I see it up on the two posts. So yeah, as I said, I was hoping. Dang, look at this thing. Wow. Yeah, I was hoping to get some time lapse on the motor coming out, but looks like they're already ahead of schedule. Maybe it's not out yet. There we go. The hood's off, so I might still be able to set the camera up, and maybe if like they're gonna have it done in the next hour or so, I might still be able to get some footage. But we'll track down Scott and see. I don't see the transmission, so I'm going to assume it's still in. So yeah, somebody's doing something. Yeah, I don't see the tranny. I see the radiator, I see the exhaust, I see the drive line. So there you go. All right, well, cool. Let me go see what's going on. There you go. Get that end bolted. Go see the flywheel. Alright, so there we go. There's a radiator, exhaust. Well, I'd like to replace that drive line. Starter. And there's the hood. Yeah. There you go. We got a couple more hours?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the other Scott was going to call me when you got it up on the rack, but he wasn't sure. He had a bunch of other stuff to do, bunch of other cars. All right, well, might call. Yeah, I'll probably call Royalty, let them know they're still working on it, and might be a bit. So all right, well, cool. At least it's underway. Yeah, look how nice that is. All right, we're gonna go up front and try to chase down the other Scott, because I think that's Scott too. So we'll find out what's going on. Yeah, since the car's already up, I don't think getting some time lapse. I mean, I brought my suction cap, you know, just in case. Like I said, if they got the hood off, I wanted to kind of put this on the front window, but then I was also worried if it takes them like 4 hours to pull it. Yeah, that's gonna, look at that. Yeah, if it takes like 4 hours for them to pull it, yeah, I'm not going to have enough memory or battery power. So, all right, well, I'm going to hop inside real quick, go talk to them, tell them, you know, that I'll talk to Royalty, maybe have to schedule them to pick the car up tomorrow. You know, I mean, if this goes till like 6 o'clock tonight, then yeah, we'll postpone that pickup. So that'll be fine. Then I'll probably just you know, head back home, cut this video here, wait till we get to disassembling for episode 3, and kind of take it from there, pick it up from there, whatever. You know what? Later.